Hello guys, welcome back to another walking the dog video. So there's going to be two new videos coming out today. There's going to be one with Archie, obviously this one, and then there's going to be another one uploaded today with me walking Cody. So yeah, hopefully, because the owners normally say yes. I walk Cody at 6 or 7 and obviously I walk Archie at 4. So Archie, come on. Archie, I'll show you this giant lump. Honestly, my opinion is that this might lead to cancer because I've seen a lot of shows, documentaries. Archie, come here. Archie, I can't go in the long grass, mate. Look at him shoot. Archie, come on, stop eating the grass. As you can see, he has this giant. Come here for a second. Stay. He has this giant lump on his neck. I don't think you got a good view of it, but come on in, Archie. Archie, not too far. I think he's annoyed at me now because I dragged him. Yep, definitely pissed off at me. Oh, now I've got all those corn things in my shoes. Guys, just sorting out my shoe. A major dig. Archie! Careful, the stingers there, mate. This has kind of been flattened, so you can kind of walk in it. It like gets all up in your shoes. It feels really weird in your shoes. So you have to be careful as well because there are spiky leaves, stinging nettles, thorn bushes. You have to kind of be careful what you start.